In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Clickup space to another workspace. Clickup is an incredibly versatile project management tool that helps teams stay organized and productive, but sometimes you may need to move a space from one workspace to another, whether you're reorganizing your setups or collaborating across different workspaces. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can transfer your space smoothly and without any confusion. Let's dive in. First, start by logging into your Clickup account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace that contains the space you want to move. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right workspace, as this is where your starting space is located. Now look to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a list of your spaces within that workspace. Locate the specific space you want to move. Once you've found it, look for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu right next to the space name. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Template. This is the feature we'll use to save your space as a reusable template, making it easy to transfer later. Next, click Save as Template. At this point, the system will begin processing the data in your space. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the space, so be patient while everything loads. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to name your template. Be sure to choose a clear and descriptive title that accurately reflects the content of the space. This will help you identify it easily when importing it into the new workspace. Before saving, you'll notice an option to enable public sharing. Check the box to activate this. Enabling public sharing is necessary so you can generate a shareable link for the template. Now, click Save Template. After the template is fully saved, Clickup will provide you with a shareable link. This is the key to transferring your space to the new workspace. Copy this link and keep it handy for the next steps. Next, open the target workspace where you want to move the space. Navigate to this workspace as you normally would, ensuring you're logged into the correct account and workspace. Once you're in the target workspace, locate the Template Import section. Paste the shareable link you just copied into this section. Alternatively, if someone else is managing the target workspace, you can share this link with them so they can import the template on their end. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts to complete the import process. Clickup will guide you through the steps to finalize the transfer, ensuring that all your data, tasks, and settings are successfully moved into the new workspace. And that's it. You've successfully moved your space to another workspace in Clickup. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.